अस्सलाम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज का माई इंग्लिश कैसे है। माई ड्रीम यानी माई ख्वाब, मेरा ख्वाब लिखा। ए कपल ऑफ नाइट एगो आई हैड ए टेरिबल ड्रीम। Strangely enough, I found myself right on the rooftop of a 3-story building. कपल ऑफ नाइट का मतलब होता है आधी रात, यानी 1-2 बजे हो रात के। टेरिबल खौफनाक डे, ठीक है। It was probably our ancestral house in Sankata. The view from the top was magnificent. The far and wide green fields, the widening roads, and the far-off mystery hills had a perfect setting. Suddenly, I left a jolt and the building began to move sideways like a swing. It was an earthquake jerk. A terrific jerk made the building land dangerously, and then the story along with me lay on the ground like a fallen tree. I saw its fall so widely as if I was awake luckily. I was not hurt at all. Then I saw a tall mighty tree. Its leaves and branches disappeared. Suddenly, as if by magic, its huge trunk began to shake, and then it crashed with a tearing sound. I woke up and felt horrified. I began to recite verses of the Holy Quran and felt a bit relaxed in about half an hour.